Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back at it with another Cash App video review. You already know, we're gonna take a look at one of these Cash App free money videos, and we're gonna see if it's legit or see if it's a scam. So it's pretty funny if you just search Cash App free money on YouTube, the stuff that comes up. Like this one right here just straight up stole my thumbnail. This is my thumbnail. And they just stole it and used it on their video. That's crazy. Unfortunately, there's no easy way to report this to YouTube because who knows really? I think they just enjoy scams on their platform. But we're gonna take a look at this one right here. This Cash App free money tutorial made me $200 every 5 minutes. So this was posted 7 months ago, it has 144K views. Let's go ahead and click on this. Remember, I am not supporting this video. This is a review. We're going to take a look at this together and see if it's legit. Right off the bat, I can see he's using an app called Cash App Plus Plus. This is not Cash App. This is a fake app. And if you use this app, you're probably going to get scammed and lose all your money. So let's get into this. Click play. He's saying, as you can see, I have Cash App Plus Plus on my device. It allows you to get free money into your Cash App, so it's super cool. That's what he said. So we opened up the banking section. So this isn't a real thing that he just went to right here. Yeah, this isn't a real screen in the app even. It looks kind of like this now, but the UI is pretty much completely different. So he's saying you can just tap cash and then add however much money you want into your app for free. So it's obviously fake. It's actually working, he says. Bro, I'm done. This one is so stupid. I don't think there's any point to watch the rest of this. Like, it's so obviously fake that there's just no point. This is one of the dumbest ones that I've seen. I don't even know how it gets this many views and like it doesn't get taken down. It's insane. But that'll do it for this one. It's obviously fake. You're not gonna just go into Cash App and hit a plus sign and get $500 or $100 at a time sent to your account. If you think that's real, you should probably go check yourself into like a psychiatric hospital or something like that. Let us know what you think down in the comments. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Check out my channel for hundreds of legit Cash App tutorials and experiments. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.